we love Robertson Homes. We want a Robertson home. We're not considering any other builder. And we just love looking at them.
Too much.
Downstairs space is most important to us for entertaining family and friends. You just get that extra space downstairs with the cathedral windows and everything. It's just such a statement and a wow when you walk in to any Robertson home downstairs.
Didn't get that anywhere else.
No other builder does that. And yeah, we've got plans to have a bar area downstairs because we just want to bring all our family around and entertain.
Yeah.
I'm always on the virtual tours, looking around all the house types. I love the Murray, the Mitchell. We just want something with a double garage as well, and something that's got really vast space downstairs for entertaining.